Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, this is actually a personal call with one of my one-on-one mentorship trainees. Now, normally we do not record these calls, but I wanted him to have this video as he's currently needing help finding live setups and I'm walking him through it. So I thought I would share with you guys my process of finding a live setup as well as you guys get a sneak peek on what it's like to be in the one-on-one mentorship. So hope you can follow along and I hope you enjoy the video. A test, but realistically, it's consolidation. This is a big box. So we're not getting an MSAL where we're getting price to come out the range and come back in,
Yeah.
right? So here we don't have a schematic. Now, if we pretended that we did, as you see, it hit stop loss. Like this is actually a clean break if this was making sense. But the POI is filled here and not here, and the MSAL was weak. And let's say, what is this, the entry? We don't have trading range alignment and it's underneath the MSAL. And then we don't have any POI up here. So that's why this is just not going to make sense. Entering here underneath the schematic, right? BCAR, the MSAL, doesn't make sense. Entering here doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
We'd have to enter up here, but there's nothing here. So that's when we invalidate this. But that's why it's important to do it in real time. So price goes up. Let's give it 15 so we can get to this monitor structure is invalidated. This is all invalid. I think we took away no. So mind you, this is where we're originally chasing. So price is going up. It's not trying to retrace. So goodbye. Drag this up here and then make it make sense. So price action here, high. We need a low. So I'm going to take this right here. Right. Oops, no, I'm going to take the body. So we're going to ignore the manipulation wicks. And then we're in up structure. Okay, that makes sense because we did get the new high. And that's it. Now, this is looking like an order block. Technically, we didn't reach it. So again, we're not looking to see if this makes into an entry. We're just going to see if we can get price coming down. I kind of see 3 drives down in this gap. So for this reason, I'm just going to change the time frame to see if that's old news, not new news. Interesting. So getting this as a fill doesn't even make sense in terms of a time frame. Yes, I can say this is a fill on the 30-minute or the 20-minute, but then I don't see the schematic anymore. So it really should make sense on a time frame, like how it should look. Like it shouldn't really have to play that much games. So I'm gonna keep it down here. Now, again, this could be, let's try a 10. This is 10. No. So it's not really proving that this is the ultimate buy. Now it could be, but like what can I do? Like it's done. Like it's already, if it's already there, just leave it alone.
Yeah.
Okay. I can't, if this buy is here, that means I have to validate this as a schematic and blah. And it's already there and it doesn't make sense. So I'm not gonna just gamble my money here. I'm still gonna wait if my full accumulation is gonna happen here. That's all my options. Okay, so that's option 1 for the buy. There's nothing to chase for me up there. I only have one option. So again, I'm just gonna accumulate, right? We're on Tuesday afternoon at lunch. And price, boom. Okay. So this is what happened, right? We're doing this in real time. I don't know what's happening. I mean, this is how I follow price. I'm showing you a week's worth of how to follow price within 40 minutes. Okay. So it's crazy how low we are. So I need these to look like candlesticks. And I'm going to do current minor structure low. So this is price action, but we're doing it from obviously the rejection of price because technically your alert went off here and this is real time.
Yep.
Boom, 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 breaker structure here. Okay, so this is current price. I don't want to use the replay. But now we're disgustingly low, but it's whatever. Let's pretend we're not so low. Okay, so this is a breaker structure, and we know if we're doing a schematic, that breaker structure should be a UA. So I would need 3 drives down. So this would be like selling climax, and this would be an AR. But then STUT, I don't have this 3 drives. This is like one piece of structure. Let me take it down to the one. This factually has to be a UA. So selling climax, AR, this is a piece of garbage. Doesn't really make sense. So I'm already not waiting for a schematic here. This could be a POI where I can actually, if I get break a structure, I could still come here and build another minor. Mind you, we're too low to minor. But there's nothing here for me to buy. So I'm just gonna wait for price to break structure or do something else. Okay, break structure, hold up. Okay, break a structure. New point of interest. So this is kind of invalidated. Really, all I need to do is just come see what's going on over here. So this is the overall break. Okay, so this is the breaker structure we needed. Now we don't have 4 pieces. So we again accumulating push high price really high. This would have to be the 4th piece or now and come down. So we'll just see what happens. There's nothing I can really do. Like most of the time, there's nothing you can really do. Just wait. Okay, well, that's invalidated. So this is the low that we tapped into. So let's just see what happens. Need a new low, need a new high. Okay, I will check out here. Reset. Okay. So we actually came into a little bit of a rejection here. But first I'm gonna get rid of this. So this whole thing's invalidated. Now, before I go look at that POI, I know you're tempted, but we're gonna current structure first. What's it called? Price action, lowest low, the high, boom, boom. Now I'm gonna take this up a notch. I don't need to be all the way down here. This is overall up structure, and we're still technically in up structure. So we're still looking to buy technically.
Mm-hmm.
We ran through the points of interest. At this point, I would look into here. Just because, again, we pretty much follow price to here and we didn't break this. So again, all the information's been done. I've been following it. I'm not getting on and taking the small pieces information. I watch price, choose this location. Now, again, regardless, this is my overall breaker structure. This already looks like consolidation. So this would have to be the UA. This would have to be the selling climax. It already doesn't make sense. I can't make this make sense.
Yeah.
Selling climax AR, ST, UA. Maybe if I take it there, but the likelihood. So let's just watch it play it again. Okay, cool.
Savannah, sorry. What if
Yeah.
what if that last low is like a STSL and then SC and the AR is just before that. Let me see if I can add it.
Okay, wait. This is, you understand why this has to be a UA?
Yep.
Okay. So when we're here, this is the UA. You're saying this is a ST and this is
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so here, and then we have this consolidation. Springs don't consolidate. We're looking, this is not a spring, no matter what.
Yeah.
So again, just because you put selling climax AR here,
Yeah.
you need to look at the candles. And that's why, again, you're watching me watch this print out. when we were over here and this happened, it didn't really make sense. So again, don't go back to with new data, don't go back to this. Because the only reason why you even were able to ask that question, well, this sign of strength is still making us feel like we might have something in here. But we're gonna still look in here. But again, you're over here is not where we're looking.
Yeah, yeah.
You're taking too much old. If this wouldn't waste time over here and do all this, I'm telling you. So no old information. So this is done.
Okay.
Okay, boom, new structure. Now we have this massive sign of strength. Now we still are super valid with this POI at the end of the day, the small POI that we watched price happen, right? We didn't make it up. Now, this is another low. Okay, so if we take this down maybe a little bit, this is what I would do. This is still this is a spring. Boom, boom.
Yeah.
You see? And time frames matter. This is not a spring. This is one piece of structure.
Yeah.
So wasn't it the 5? Let me take it. Let's see, 5. So the 5 has a higher body. So spring, let's try to mark it up. Let me see. If we hit stop loss, if it doesn't make sense, how far can we go? So I'm gonna go like this first. ST, SC, UA. So if my UA is not on top of the wick, that means I'm talking about the body. But this new feature doesn't let me use my mouse to just move the thing over. UA. Oh, that was stupid. My bad. AR. And then this body would have to be the UA, then SOS. Okay, so now I still need to play around with, I should have done this first, my bad, structure, because this would be